I am going to discuss transfer of learning concept and types. Learning is transferable. One kind of learning facilitates other kinds of learning. The influence of previous learning on present learning is said to be transfer of learning. For example, the learning of addition and subtraction help the child learn multiplication and division. Different psychologists define transfer of learning. Crow and Crow define transfer of learning training as the carryover of habits of thinking, feelings, or working, of knowledge or skill from one learning area to another. Elias defined transfer of learning as experience or performance in one task influence performance in some subsequent task. There are different types of transfer of learning. Those are positive transfer of learning. Transfer is said to be positive when something previously learned benefits performance or learning in a new situation. For example, the knowledge of mathematics facilitates to learn physics. Negative transfer of learning. When something previously learned hinders performance or learning in a new situation. For example, once a child has learned to misspell a word, it is difficult to correct it, especially if the child has been written it for a long time. Zero transfer of learning. When a learning situation does not influence the learning in another situation significantly, it is said to be zero transfer of learning. For example, the knowledge of mathematics does not facilitate to learn swimming. There are other different type of transfer of learning. Those are low road transfer of learning. It is defined as the learning or training that imparts the capacity or for automatic or unconscious awareness of the similarity of surface feature between two situations. High road transfer of learning. It is backward reaching occurs when learner in a new situation think about previous situation that might apply. Near transfer of learning. Overlap between situations, original and transfer contexts are similar. Far transfer of learning. Little over between situations, original and transfer setting are dissimilar. Let us conclude the topic. It should be clear from the above discussion that on account of its transfer value, a particular learning is able to exercise positive as well as negative effects on some subsequent learning. Therefore, it is necessary for a learner to realize the transfer value of learning in a particular subject. Thank you.